So this is the new big Super Duke, 1390. Can you believe that? I mean, that's just ridiculous how much capacity we've got in a sports bike now. So I've already done all the settings, so we should be ready to go. We're not on track day tyres. These are standard Michelins, so no tyre warmers, so we've got to be a bit steady. But yeah, let's go give it a bit of a blast, eh? Right, let's go for a blast of Almeria. Oh look, Neves is in front. I'll give him a bit of braver. So yeah, we've got a lot more. Well, it's not actually, it's only about 50cc more, but it's still the big baby. I got high on wheelie control, sport throttle, very little traction. Double check. There's so much torque. It's almost comical. The tyres have done 4 sessions, so they do move around a little bit. End of the last session was proper funny, almost like riding on wets towards the end. But it'll warm up quickly. What it would do is bloody hot. Oh, little slide there. Try and get everything up to temp and then we can hit it on the next lap. So it's 60% new bike from KTM. Slight difference to the chassis, but not a huge amount. The big is the torque, so we've got 10 horsepower more. Oh, 5 newton core of torque. Improved sophistication on the rider aids. We've gone to Michelin rubber that's lighter, apparently. We've got a new headlight, that's about 700 grams lighter, because it's towards the top of the bike. In terms of weight, right, bit of heat in the tyres now. Third gear. Normally that'd be second, but this will just pull third. Lovely. That's third. I like this. Oh, easy, Tiger. Fourth. Where's this guy going? Oh, Jesus. Don't think he knows. Oh, we'll just clip underneath him. Give him a wave. Oh, slide, 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 slide. Yeah, the tyres have had their day, I think is the best terminology. But we've got the everything is lean sensitive as you'd expect, so you can rely on it a bit. Oh, lovely slide. Just give it a big handful and oh, yes. Oh, I can feel it sliding there. Right, let's try and get a good exit. Oh, I went too tight, you dickhead. Oh, what a manoeuvre! How much fun is this? think that's the best description. Oh, again, it's just... it's just sliding. For the feel. You've got to have feel in the bike to be able to... I mean, I'm not McWilliams. You've got to have a bit of... Oh, come on, get in the turn. And it is got... lovely drive.